Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. I mentioned it last night. I was going to get out in front of the studio, get into my studio, and get out in front of a camera. Well, two parts required. One, I had to get my new main helm computer delivered, which showed up today, a couple hours ago. Two, I had to get that programmed and up and running before I could print charts and then go up into my studio and do a regular shoot like we're used to. I did get the computer. I'm so excited. It is getting set up, but it's not ready for this video. So we'll have to do one more of these desktop shoots. And hopefully by tonight, my computer will be up and running. And tomorrow I'll be sitting at my main helm. The other computer that was at my main helm, I have turned off the day we got hacked. And it's in the hands of authorities right now, and maybe they'll find something good on it. So I had to wait for my new computer. I do have it, so I'll try to get a video done for us in front of a camera tomorrow night, not just sitting here in front of my screen. In any event, this video is coming at you on a Thursday night for trading Friday. That is May 8th, 2026. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without protective stop. Let's see what's going on. Traders, the OMNI, I should say, in NASDAQ, S&P, Rush, you name it, the OMNI flipped to a sell signal this afternoon. Right before the close, OMNI went, we're selling rallies for trading on Friday, and I thought I'd present that to you. Red OMNI for trading on Friday, and I think the OMNI will be right about that. It looks like the markets have a little pullback coming. Now, there is this. We had a lot of wind up our skirt or behind our sails, if you will, in this market, because we had lots and lots of earnings come out. Well, earnings season is coming to an end. You got a big employment report tomorrow. Probably this makes sense to get an omni sell signal here. In other words, a lot of the wind has blown. The sails have moved. And now the wind is calming, right? No more big reports coming from the major companies that are part of the S&P, NASDAQ, Russ. So maybe things calm down a little. Plus, we didn't get any good news from the Middle East. That's not helping. Omni sell signal for trading on Friday. Cryptos are backing off as well. I noticed Bitcoin kind of looks not quite. I didn't get a sell signal, but it doesn't look as pretty for Friday as it did on Wednesday and Thursday. Traders, that's what I wanted to show you. I promise I'll get that computer programmed, and if all goes well, we'll have another video with me out in front of a camera in my studio tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please join me at livewithoscar.com. I'm always there. It's free to you. Please subscribe to these videos. Leave your comments, like and share them. And remember, stop sorting. Emotions are rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Make sure you're there, and I'll hang out with you and get through these rough and tumble markets.